You'd be so fucking mad.
Women are the forefront of this movement of this subgenre. You know what I mean?
It's refreshing to see women kind of like be at the forefront of like the rage rap genre. But like, how can someone kind of deconstruct from those like feelings and values, especially when it's a poison?
Yeah, bitch, yeah, bitch, yeah, bitch, yeah. Who in the fuck do you bitches think y'all talking to? Goodness gracious, I might give a fuck on a rare. Hey, niggas talk cheap, ain't saying nada. Bitch, I run the party, so I brought a chopper. When I been ballin' all day like Brady, long hair this wavy, and I been shopping
Too
all day.
fly and fucking gifted to deal with all the bitch shit. I need a man who's biscuit, feel like a Popeye's biscuit. That means that he's committed. He hit it but don't quit it. And now we tightly knitted, cause he's my cozy sweater.
Cashmere.
Who gon' do it better?
No one.
Don't think no one could ever outdo Big V. You know that's me. I come through and I charge a fee. This is a monopoly. Don't think nobody stopping me, and ain't nobody topping me. It's bottoms up when you see V.
And speaking of bottom of the barrel ass bitches, let me holla at shorty ass right quick.